So now guys, there is an official announcement from a US government and complete information who had applied for a visa interview, and their visa interview as well got scheduled and they had appointments. All right, paid a money for a visa processing fee on a website, but they didn't have their appointment, any of the appointment. And even the official update is coming out from a US government where they have announced US embassies are going to be open into India, but not in every state. I'm going to share with you which state they are going to be open, and I'm going to share with you exact date when they are opening. And as well as I'm going to share with you in this video, if you are the person who had already applied for a visa interview and you had your appointment as well, you had scheduled for an interview but it got cancelled due to this pandemic. So what update is there for you and how you can reschedule, that also I'm going to share with you. And if you are the person who had already paid for a visa processing fee and you couldn't get your visa appointment or visa interview, basically as you guys know, there is a validity for the payment. So in that particular period you have to take your appointment, but now guys there is a validity has been extended until when, that also I'm going to share with you in this video. So make sure just stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, this is the one of the most requested video where I receive comments and messages on the Instagram where people ask me when US embassies are going to be open. So now guys, there is an official announcement from a US government and complete information I'm going to share with you how you can get your appointments done. All right, so before I proceed, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon with all notifications on, so when I make more informative videos you get notified automatically. And if you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram ID is given in the description below. You can DM me out there and I will answer your questions. All right, let's get started. All right, first of all, in India only one US embassy is going to be open, which is in Delhi. So US Embassy of Delhi is going to be open on 1st of February. Yes guys, this 1st of February they are going to entertain the people, and now you can actually have your visa appointments. So now what all the visa categories they are going to entertain, let me share with you. They will process all these categories including student visa, H&B, H4 visa, L1, L2, C1D visa and B1, B2 visa. However, the capacity is going to be limited because as you guys know, it is really very important to take care of the staff and the customer who are going to be there for an interview. All right, but still it is a very great news. Now a lot of the people, they were waiting for a US embassies to get open. So now you can get your visa appointment done, but still there are some more information I'm going to share with you. All right, so now let's talk about for all those people who had applied for a visa interview and their visa interview as well got scheduled and they had appointments. All right, but they got cancelled due to this pandemic. So guys, now you have to reschedule your appointments, both the appointments, visa application center appointment and US visa interview appointment. You guys have to reschedule again and you have to go on a website where you have to reschedule them again. All right, so now let's talk about for all those people who had already paid a money for a visa processing fee on a website, but they didn't have their appointment, any of the appointment. And even though guys there is a rule on a website, means you have to schedule your appointment within that period of time, within that validity. So the validity of the fee has been extended till 31st of December 2021. So you guys don't have to be worried about your payment which you have made already. All right, it will be reconsidered. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you can, please make sure you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that fat subscribe button, press that bell icon, so when I make more informative videos you guys get notified automatically. I will see you in the next video, and take care. Bye bye.